Okay, this is a 7-piece treatment with a valance, side panels, shears, and blackout, with a P-tack in the center. Okay, we've made a template since we're installing so many. Putting our L bracket on, or you can just measure. Okay, we've already done that with the other side. Same thing for the rods. We've made a template to mark the board. We're lining up our marks. Now we used a template to make marks on the end of the balance board. Now we're putting our hardware on our pre-made mark. You can also use a tape measure. It's approximately 3 inches apart. You notice we're going ahead and putting the rods over the L brackets. Okay, now we're putting on the side panel rods. We've pre-cut a wood block to measure. Again, you can use a tape measure. Okay, we're putting on the little return L bracket. Okay, we've pre-marked our board for the center, and we've marked our walls. We're using these 2 poles as guides for the height. Of course, because we're installing so many, a whole hotel, you can use a tape measure and mark on the wall where you want to put the cornice. Okay, we've pre-marked the wall. Using the pole as a guide. Okay, we're checking our measurements, checking our distances. Okay, we're going to hang the blackout first. It goes against the window. There's a left and a right side. That's your right side. This is your stiffener with a grommet hole, and the plastic stiffener fits on the back of the carrier. shear now. Increasing the crinoline so the drape folds back. Okay, we got the blackout and the shear hung. Got the two batons on. The only thing left now is the side panel. Okay, we're going to put on the return on that small L bracket on the valance. Okay, we're flipping our valance over, straightening it out. Okay, that's how to install a hospitality drapery.